Good evening, everyone. My name is Ravinder. I'm an executive chef for Hotel Courtyard by Marriott Bhopal, and we are launching our promotion of New York food truck, which is a very street food in the New York. Which is a very street food in the New York and very famous among all the people. How's the history started in the America? Usually food truck known as also like a mobile food, mobile cuisine. In earlier days, as per history, people used to take their truck to the mines or to the dam construction area. Yeah, so they just go there for the convenience of the people or for the labor, or you can say it's a completely, they made it for a blue collar job people. Okay, so the people went there and give this food to them, and slowly this food truck cuisine is so popular in America. It came to the big cities of America, like in the New York. And today, world, now if you see it presently, food truck is very famous in the New York. And you can find there from your Tex-Mex cuisine, nachos, tacos, your Chicago fried fish, or you can go with some barbecue chicken, you can go with some sliders, you can go with some Brooklyn sandwiches, like big jumbo sandwiches, foot-long pizza. Yeah, you can go with a more bourbon donut. So these lot of things, which is a very famous nowadays in America. Same like waffles and dinges is more like very waffle sandwich. And these kind of all the experience I want to introduce to my guests in the Bhopal, and for especially in my all-day dining Momo Cafe. So it is a part of our dinner buffet menu. Okay, so whenever the guest is coming, we want to introduce this kind of cuisine to our guests, and they also the purpose behind why I want to start this food here, because I want to introduce that we can also give a same experience what the people used to go to America, visit to New York, and take this food experience there. So that's the simple intention behind it. We can do something very new. We can give something more creative for this market. Thank you very much. So I'm making here the savory waffle sandwich. This is how the America, they have a very creative ways to make the new sandwiches, new things, and the city known for to create a concept. Okay, so I'm making here savory waffle sandwich of my style, my way, which I like. So I'll take some mayonnaise over here. There's some vegetables, which is the sorted vegetable with the cajun spiced. So what is the specialty of New York sandwiches in America? There is a bread stuff is a less, and the stuffing inside is a much more. There's a more than 2.5 times. So I mean, when a person going to eat it, the experience it cannot be held in a one, with the hand. So that's actually how the sandwiches is different in America. Everything they want to more the big. I'm using some salsa along with it. So it's basically, you can see here, this is all grilled vegetables along with some sriracha mayonnaise and some beautiful tomato salsa, which is a combination of jalapeno, and I have some coriander, cilantro is here. putting some sour cream here. One more. The salt, you can crunch it. So you get the texture, which is a very creamy, crunchy, freshness. Everything is there. Okay, and the same way you can put over here, put the sandwich like this. So you can see here, so this is your sandwich is ready, which is like savory waffle sandwich.
What would be the calories that you would be gaining with this?
So you forget sometime, you know, you have to more on the lust and, you know, is a more on...
you need at least 5 days of gymming to get this out.
It's up to you. So somebody consume can this within a 15 minutes. It's around 300 calories. You can go ahead with it. Not a problem. Yeah. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रविंदर है और मैं कोर्टयार्ड बाय मैरियट भोपाल होटल में एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ हूँ। ये जो हमारा प्रमोशन है न्यूयॉर्क फूड हिस्ट्री, ये हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं 15 तारीख से 24 तारीख तक, 15 जून से लेकर 24 जून तक। और ये पार्ट ये रहेगा जो हमारा डिनर बुफे है, ये उसी का पार्ट रहेगा। और हमने ये इसलिए स्टार्ट किया है, हम इसलिए इसको इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि हम भोपाल के कस्टमर्स को, ग्राहकों को, जो गेस्ट हमारे आते हैं, हम उनको एक यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस दे सकें कोर्टयार्ड बाय मैरियट भोपाल की तरफ से। नमस्कार।
थैंक यू।